Once roles are configured, look at organization. Here you can add members or give access to the various groups and levels in a tree-like structure. For example, if I click on the North region, we can see that we have a district manager who has access to all of the units within the region. I can also add another member by clicking Add Member, and then I can search for this other employee that's going to have access to the entire region. The role that you give the user defines what the user can do, and where you place the user defines what group the person has access to. For example, I can give the person the role of assistant manager for the entire region. This means that this person then sees the entire region. But if I give the same user the role of assistant manager on a unit, then that person will only see the unit. So where I place the person decides which group he or she can see, but what they can do is determined by the role and rights that role has. There are inherited members, which means that they are above in the organizational structure. For example, if you have a role at the regional level, then you're inherited down to all the units and departments underneath it, meaning you have automatic access to them.